Hi, I'm Stephanie with MetaStock. Access to expert advice and trading strategies can help you take advantage of bull and bear markets. MetaStock's Expert Advisor Power Tool can provide you with the knowledge and trading strategies of industry experts like Martin Pring, Gilbert Raff, and Bill Williams, including commentaries and suggestions on when to buy and sell instruments. Using the Power Console, we're going to review how to attach an expert and view expert commentary.
We're going to start in the Charts section of the Power Console. And we're going to work out of the S&P 100 list. Let's open up Amazon. We're going to display the last 250 bars, and we're going to work with the 5-minute interval. We're going to attach the Martin Pring Long-Term Momentum System Expert Advisor. Let's select Open Chart. You can also attach an Expert Advisor through the right-click menu. Expert Advisor, Attach. We're going to attach the Profittunity Bill Williams Expert Advisor. Expert advisors offer a variety of options for indicating a condition has taken place. The first are highlights, which color your bars. The second are symbols. Symbols can take place through a variety of avenues. You can have buy and sell or stop conditions displayed on your chart through symbols. Trends can be displayed by a ribbon at the bottom of your chart. Here you can see where short conditions or short trends are taking place, or a long condition or long trends are taking place, or none. Alerts are also available through expert advisors. Alerts notify you when a particular condition has been generated. For example, the close is above the alligator. AO is increasing, AC is increasing. It's a green zone. You can select to skip all remaining alerts or to detach the expert from the chart. And finally, the Expert Advisor offers a commentary. To view the commentary, you right-click, Expert Advisor, Commentary. The commentary offers a more detailed view of the current bar on the chart. For example, July 3rd, 2012, the commentary for the Bill Williams Profittunity Expert Advisor gives the open, the high, the low, and the close, the value of the alligator jaw, alligator teeth, and alligator lips indicators. It also indicates that the price is above the alligator, that it's in the green zone, and the alligator oscillator and the accelerator is increasing. Using the arrows in the toolbar of the commentary window, you can change the bar that the commentary is reporting on. You can also print the information in the commentary. You have the ability to dock your commentary either at the top or to the left or right or bottom of your MetaStock screen. You can click and drag the commentary window to the title bar of the MetaStock application and release. To undock the commentary window, you want to right-click into the gray section of the commentary window and uncheck Dock View.
Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.